Hello, folks. I hope everyone is doing well and had a good trading day. Now, let's prepare for tomorrow with a quick look at our Nifty spot market profile chart here. So, today we saw some short covering about 25,609. So, largely forced due to weekly expiry pressure here, something that often happens when aggressive option writers shows a nature of like zid karna in the first half of market. Okay, so they challenged 25,700 put writers here and the call writers both. Okay, the session shaped as a neutral extreme day here with failed auction, which indicates that buyer are still not in full control yet. Overall we can say auction remain in balance for now. Okay, so I will be watching the 25,849 plus minus 50 point zone for tomorrow. If the response around that level favors sellers, I will look to re-add my partial swing short again, but only if the context line. Okay. Or on a broader note, I can say from a bigger picture view, I believe we could see some random accident in next 1 quarter, just like what happened today in Bajaj Finance. Okay, such move can rotate across other heavyweight stocks as well. In options, I will track 25,400 C here. So in today's context here, writers started covering near 264 area. Okay, like into the closing here. Okay, so the original short position were around 422 area here. So the real strength between buyer and seller, we need to check how the auction form in between here. Okay, and I will track the response around 329 to check the strength for the continuation as well as for the reversal for the next weekly expiry. Okay, and I will track 26,000 p strike here. So writer to control below 384 area. Okay, in today's session here. So on the downside, the key reference can be 239 first. Okay, and then lower side 175. So full control we can expect only below this if any initiative seller take participation. Okay, or we can expect some rotation on the higher side if this level shows some responsive buying player activity. Okay, and for the Sensex expiry, I will watch 83,500 call. So I will watch how the buyer shows some responsive action around like in the pullback 497 or 369 area or above 812 or in between this zone of 100 point. We need to check how the writers take their positions. Okay, either they will cover or they will add more position on a in this strike. Okay, and in Sensex 84,600 put, like we can see some old writer started unwinding below 866 area after the J periods. Okay, so I will watch the reaction around 376 if come into the opening section, and below this 209 I will track, and the mid reference can be 546 to check the strength of the buyer as well as the sellers. Okay, so that's my observation and preparation for tomorrow. And remember, for everyone, one keynote: alignment of context is what separate professional hedge fund traders from the rest. Okay, so most traders skip this setup, but alignment is the real key to improving your risk analysis and the execution as well. So stay focused, stay nimble, and as always, keep learning, keep minting money, and see you tomorrow, guys.